Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of Scholar Malkapur. Students, we are started the new topic. The name of the topic is solid shapes, and in that already we studied the first topic is cuboid, and cuboid means the shape like the shape of the box, chalk box, freeze, TV. Okay, they all are eraser. They are having the cuboid shape. Cuboid has 12 edges. Edges means what? Where two faces meet, that is called as edges. Okay, now today we will see the next shape. The name of the shape is cube. A cuboid with all the edges of the same length is called as cube. What is the definition? Cube is such a cuboid, means cube is also one of the cuboid. It's such a cuboid in that the all edges of the same length. Now you see, in the cube, this is edge. Okay, these are the edges. So this edge and this edge, they are having different length, but in cube the all edges are same. See, whom I dash, they are the edges. They all are what? Same length. So that's why it is called as cube. A cube having all edges same. Okay, same length edges, and total how many edges are there? As same as the cuboid having, that is 12 edges. Okay, upper 4, down 4 and side 4. Understand? The next is cube having 6 faces. Cuboid also having 6 faces. Okay, vertices also same. Only difference in cuboid and cube is only their edges. Cuboid having the opposite sides edges are equal, and cube having all edges length is equal. Okay, number of edges both having same. Here is also 12 edges, here is also 12 edges. Okay, here vertices are 8, here is also 8. 6 faces. Understand cube and cuboid? Cube is also one of the cuboid, but cuboid is not cube. ठीक है, क्यूब को अपन क्यूबॉइड भी बोल सकते हैं. सच अ क्यूबॉइड हु हैविंग ऑल साइड्स एजेस आर सेम. Okay, next part is cylinder. Now dear students, you know the cylinder shapes like your Pepsi can, pipe, after that pencil, your pen, glass, candle, they all are the shape of cylinder. These all shapes we already studied, we are observing in the daily life. Okay, how is they look? They have the upper and down side the plane surface, okay, circular, and the side is curved. So these objects having the shape of cylinder. So cylinder has no vertices, they don't have vertices. A cylinder has two curved edges. This is the curve edge. Okay, this is one and the down. Okay, like glass also having curve edge, that curve edge which we keep on our lips and we drink water, and like that curve edge. A cylinder has three faces: upper, this plane face, this down plane face, and this circular face. So three faces they have. Okay, one face is cylinder is curved face, and two faces are bottom and top is flat, that is circular. Okay, next shape is sphere. Sphere means what? It look like a apple, ball, orange. Okay, so these are thus called as sphere shape. It is not circle. Circle is in 2D shape, it is in 3D, 3 dimension. Okay, sphere is also having one face which is circular, and that much only. It don't have vertex and no edges. Sphere is no vertex, no edges, only one curved face is there, only one face is there. Okay, that much only for sphere. Next shape is cone. You already studied the observed in the so many times, so different spaces this cone, like birthday cap, it is cone shape. Okay, on road also that indicators, that is also cones. In the sports on ground also you seen the cone, ice cream cone. Your bell, Christmas bell, that also look like a cone. Okay, so cone has only how many vertex? Only one vertex, which is here, and the one is circular face and one is rounded face. There are total how many faces there? One is curve face and one flat face to the cone, and edges is only one, which is circular curved edge. Means we can say that cone has one vertex, here only one, after that one curve edge which is this, and two faces. One is curve face which is this, Okay, and second is flat face. This curved face and this is flat face. So understand. Now we will see the exercise 8.8c. Write the name of the shape of the things. This is what? Cone. This is what? Cuboid. This is what? Sphere. Okay. This is what? Cone. This is cylinder. What is the spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cuboid, C-O-B-O-I-D. Sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. Now it is also cylinder. D-A-R. It is cube. C-U-B-E. Sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E. Okay, write true and false is there. So you try to complete this. Tomorrow I will tell you the answers of this true or false. Okay, it is your homework. So all the best. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.